Welcome to my website. My website is a clothing brand website that to sell clothes. Over here we'll go through the codes in sections so that we can understand everything here. So over here the HTML tag here has been set to English. The meta character set, that's 8 bits. And the title over here is clothes shop. And then now over here all these designs are all CSS designs that have been put in the header. So the margin has been set to 0, the padding has been set to 0, the box sizing has been set to border low, border box, and then the body. Everything that is here affects the body, every element that will be in the body. So the font family is Arial, the background color of the background in the body is white, the color of the text in the body tag is black, and then the padding is set to 20 px or 20 pixels. The header of the text has been sent, it has been aligned to the center. Then the margin to the bottom, the margin bottom has been set to 30 px. Then the header h1, so this one is for all the h1 tags. The font size has been set to 2 rem. Then the color of the text in this particular tag is set to ash. And then this particular class products over here, the grade the grade gap between all of them is 20 px. The background color between them, the background color in that particular class is white. The border radius is 10 px. The padding is 15 px. And the text has been aligned to the center. Then the box shadow is 0, 2, and then 6. So then this applies to all the other image, all everything that falls within the product in that class. And then we also have a different class over here, which is the payment. So the margin has been set to 30 px. The text has been aligned to the center. Then the payment button is the padding has been set. The padding of the payment button has been set to 10 px, which is the length, and then the width 20 px. The margin is set to 5 px. The border, there's no border. The background color is blue, and the color of the text is white. Now the payment button hover, the background color is blue. And for the footer class, the margin top is 40 px, and the text has been aligned to the center. Then the color of the text is ash. Then over here, the header over here, which is the A1 that we made mention of at the top here, that should be aligned to the center. Yes, the header over here, that should be aligned to the center. And then over here, the div class for the product, which we made mention of over here. So over here we have my images. So I created a file and then put all my images inside so that I can just call them into my code. Yes, so for the first one, which is the basic t-shirt, you go into my images, which is this file, then call the basic t-shirt, and that goes for 15 cedis. And then for the blue jeans, you go into my images and then get the blue jeans file. So it goes the same for all these other codes. Then I put the payment methods into buttons, then the footer is 2025 clothes shop. So this is what my website looks like.